Nice. Nice. All right, guys. We told you we'd find a waterfall. Not quite frozen, but half frozen. Looks goddamn sweet. Look at that shit. So what do we do at waterfalls? Well, we drink beer. Today we have Filthy Dirty from Parallel 49. Coming in at 7.2%. Delicious IPA.
Walk over there? I didn't go with beer this time. Ugh. I went with cider. Bumper Crop BC Craft Cider Extra or Crisp Apple.
So we're gonna be doing a guy versus girl waterfall into our mouths. Who can complete it quicker? I'm putting a little air hole in the back. Hopefully it doesn't get too messy. I'm gonna go stand over here where I might go through to the water. Oh no, we're good. Keep it cold. Hold that. Stupid weak baby. Oh, these are actually a little bit more solid cans. All right, we found it. We made it. Glade falls in the winter, boys.
And Mom off in the background.
Mom in the background. Cheers.
Cheers. Do it.
Really? You forfeit.
What did you do?
Get it started. Oh, fuck, that's cold. Get it started and slowly raise it as you start chugging. Like this, watch this.
Cold.
I win.
No.
Can't beat her on conventional chugging. Gotta come up with ways you can, right?
Went in my nose.
Finish her up there, Choly Cholerson. Waterfall it.
Nope.
All right, guys. We will see you in the next one.